Hi, let's add home address in Contacts and Maps apps on iPhone. Firstly, let's add it in Contacts. So I'm gonna find my Contacts app, open it, and now I want you to click right here on My Current Info on the top of your contacts list, and then choose to edit it. After that, you should see some sections which you can add, such as email, birthday, and so on. But we are gonna click to add address. Now you need to enter info about your home, such as street, postal code, city, country. So just enter any info like that. Enter your postal code, then city, and here click to add country or region, like that. Then by clicking on home right here, you can switch to different type of label. So from home, you can switch to work, or instead of it, you can use school, other, and even click to add custom label. We are gonna set this one as home, and then click done to save changes. And this is how it will look in your case. I just randomly entered this type of info, but you need to enter accurate one, of course. So now let's add the same info to Maps app. I'm gonna open Maps and take a look right here at the bottom. And now we need to go ahead and select home, then enter your home address, again as we did before. Click to select. Then as for label, you just need to enter home, then in the type right here, switch to my home. Here you'll see full address of your home, of course. You can add this one to contact card immediately, add person, and basically save as your home. And this is how it will look. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.